Hi everyone, my name is Heather and I'm the person behind Happy Puppy Truffles. Today I wanted to share with you guys a cute stationery item that I found in Japan that I thought was just a beautiful example of pretty paper that you can get here. This is what we call a beansen, which is like paper that you can use for writing letters. So there's no envelope included, it's not a set, it's just a pad of paper that has a pretty design on it that's perfect for writing letters. Now this is made by the company MIDORI, which makes great stationery products as well as origami paper, so they're a good place to go for that for sure. I happened to be getting things when it was kind of off season. This is more of a spring design with these flowers here, so it was a little on sale. I'd say this is usually 400 or 500 yen, but I got it for 150 yen, which is good. It does come with a matching envelope set that I could have bought if I wanted to, also probably for the exact same price. You'd get maybe a set of 5, I think, in that. So this has all of the paper that you need here, and there's one design, but it has double-sided, and this whole paper itself is part of like a series of papers that are made by this company. And I think I've maybe shared some of the other ones with you guys too. They create such beautiful things that are very seasonal and use so much beautiful paper quality and nice beautiful colors. So you're looking at this really nice thick paper that has a really nice texture for writing letters on it, and it's double-sided, so that can create a really cool effect, I think, for sure. And it just looks really pretty when you're done, and you can kind of almost see that other color through the other side, which I think really creates a neat effect when you're writing letters. And it's a simple kind of, fold it in half and then you put it in an envelope and you're done. The very last page is a piece of paper that people use to help guide them when they're writing letters to make sure they're writing straight. So you can either have it like this, where you'd be writing top to bottom, left to right, or the other side has ones so that you can write more Western style, which is left to right and straight across. So either way works really good, and you get a nice cute little pad for you to use for so many things. And for the price, it's a great deal. And it's almost a perfect square, so it would be great for origami. I think you could make so many pretty boxes and modular projects and stuff with it. It's just a really gorgeous paper. A little unique in its size. Origami letter set papers are usually a little more rectangular. This is more almost square, maybe almost actually square. I'm not sure. Is it square? Not quite. Almost. So very pretty though, I think. So if you guys are visiting and looking for some unique items, especially paper products, then looking in the section that has stationery goods can be a great place to find some other unique items there. And the paper quality is usually really good because people will take writing letters very seriously still here. So when they do go to the trouble of actually writing a letter, they usually have really nice paper that they use for it. So I'll have some more fun things to share with you guys in the days to come. Thanks again always so much for watching, and I'll see you all next time. Bye.